Hello, myself Gayatri Vasudevani, and today's Viva topic is OOPS concept in Java. So basically, here we will going to understand first of all the full form of the OOPS. OOPS, that means the object oriented programming languages, and these OOPS are the basic pillar of the object oriented programming language. So it provides the concept of inheritance, data binding, and polymorphism, etc. This object oriented programming is the very important concept in Java, as the Java is the object oriented programming language. Since it is not purely object oriented programming language, but Java is considered as the object oriented programming language. Like Java, we are having C Sharp, PHP, Python, C++ also are the object oriented programming language, and Smalltalk is the first truly object oriented programming language. So the pillar of this object oriented programming language is the object, and this object are the real time entities, and the group of this object is called as the classes. So the many object forms a group which is called the classes. So the OOPS concept is purely based on the object and classes. So here we have to operate all the objects in the object oriented programming language. So the four basic pillars of this object oriented programming language are inheritance, abstraction, polymorphism, and encapsulation. These all concept plays a very important role in the object oriented programming language. So basically, inheritance, that means the acquiring the properties of the parent class by the child class. That means subclass acquires all the properties of the of its base class, or this base class or child class is also called as the derived class, as well as the main class is called as the parent class. So this is the inheritance. Next one is the polymorphism. Polymorphism, that means doing a same work in many ways. Poly means many and morph means form. So doing one work in the many forms, that is called the polymorphism. Abstraction, that means hiding the information, only showing the important information to the user, and hiding the unnecessary information, that means which is not necessary for the user, that is hidden from the user, that is the abstraction. And encapsulation means the uh, capsulation of the data, that means the classes and data are binded together, that is called as the encapsulation, and this is the very important concept of the OOP. That's it. Thank you.